In entity framework migrations, many are getting the issue of this one, update database or add migration, those kind of things. Okay, I have seen many of my teammates, developers, many are suffering with this. Okay, this is a common issue. It's not any new things. It's been running from a long time, probably from 5, 10 years ago. This is even though if you just open another Visual Studio, there it works fine. For example, I could see here it works fine in another scenario, but within one solution it doesn't work properly. The reason for this, there are multiple reasons. Just not to confuse the beginners, it is the issue with the NuGet packages and some more conflicts and other related DLLs, all those things. Don't worry about all those things. The simple solution is when you have like this, especially with respect to this is with respect to Entity Framework Core. Okay, the easiest solution is just close and open, or close and just restart your machine and go out for a while and just come back. This is simple way. Okay, usually it fixes for that. If not, if you are very quick, you wanted to do something, then go for this NuGet package manager. Probably you can go here and just right click and then do manage NuGet packages for solution. I used to mention each and every steps. It's because it might help for some beginners, not for the experts, for the beginners. Just go and just uninstall these things. For example, these are the three things. What I did now is Entity Framework Core Tools and entity usually these three. One sec. Migrations means it is with respect to Entity Framework Core. Okay, so these three, Entity Framework Core and SQL Server and Tools, just uninstall this and then install back. Probably if you install this Microsoft.EntityFrameworkCore.SqlServer, automatically it installs this first one, Entity Framework Core also. Then additionally, what you have to do is this Entity Framework Core dot this tools. These tools you have to install. Whatever you have the previous version, for example, in the current scenario, for that case only, I'm just giving this example. 8.000 was the original code. I just installed back. You can just verify and always try to use the Git changes. So whenever you're making changes or anything, just try to use your local branch so you can stay very easy. See now, for example, I uninstalled and installed back. I'll just show you again, once again, for example, if I just wanted to do it uninstall, okay, then you can feel the difference here. And just press this star means it is something is changes happened, it is not saved. Okay, I'm just pressing Control Shift S, then you can go here and just say compose with unmodified. So you can clearly see it just appears this particular has been removed. Okay, then what I do is again I'll go back and just install it back. uh, okay, yeah, this is another issue. Many guys I have noticed this. I'm not able to install any of the framework or something like that. Many guys are mentioning that. Okay, so sometimes what happens, you can see here, if you just do it here, here the install button will not be appearing sometimes. Okay, so wait for some time and just click on some particular selection. Sometimes what happens, you guys, they don't select anything here. Okay, then obviously it says none of the product is selected, so I'm not getting the solution option. Okay, the another option is probably why you guys are getting confused is if you just open this particular exact project, then go for manage NuGet packages, then the appearance is only for one project. Okay, so that is the reason this particular check mark will not appear in this case. See, now you can see it just shows only one. Okay, don't get confused with this. Everything is same. You have to understand the concept, then you can make anything up. Okay, one moment. Okay, done. Okay, you can see now. Sometimes, yeah, that line is removed now. So sometimes what happens, it removes from the line number 10, for example, it just adds to the line number 11 or 12, something like that. Okay. Once you add that, and then if you go here, I already fixed that. Anyway, just for testing purpose, I'm just pressing update database. Earlier, it just shown like that error, and then it get fixed. Okay, if any other errors, then okay, that particular issue will be resolved. Then if you have something like entity framework, foreign key relationship, those kind of constraints and all those things, you have to just check on that. If you guys have any questions, you can just write to me or anywhere in the chats. You'll just understand. Keep coding, keep sharing, keep smiling. Cool.